Hey guys, welcome back to x2design.com. In this video, we are going to discuss about different types of fits in engineering. Let's get started. In mechanical engineering, mating of two components is to be determined based on function of two components. Even though the fasteners make them tighter, but tightness between the two surfaces may be needed high in some applications, where in other applications it is not required to be that much tight. So from this, the fit may be defined as tightness or looseness between the two mating components. These fits can be used for moving components or used to make them fixed together. There are also so many types of fits are implemented, but they all categorized into three. The following are the three different types of fits in the engineering. The first one is clearance fit, interference fit, and transition fit. Let us discuss these one by one in detail. The first one is clearance fit. This means there is a gap between the two mating parts. For example, take a hole and shaft. When they are mating, there must be a gap between these two mating parts as shown in the figure. The diameter of the shaft is smaller than the diameter of the hole. There is a clearance between the shaft and the hole. Hence, the shaft can easily slide into the hole. In clearance fit, there might be two outcomes. One will be maximum clearance and the second one will be minimum clearance. The maximum clearance will be the difference between maximum size of the hole and the minimum size of the shaft. Whereas the minimum clearance will be the difference between the minimum size of the hole and the maximum size of the shaft. Clearance fit further classified into the following. First one is slide fit, easy slide fit, running fit, and slack running fit, and loose running fit. These are the different classifications under clearance fit. Let us go to the next one, interference fit. In interference fit, there will be no gap between the faces and there will be intersecting of material will occur. The diameter of the shaft is larger than the hole diameter and there will be intersection of two mating components will be occurred. Hence, the shaft will need additional force to fit into the hole. There will be two outcomes. One is maximum interference and the second one is minimum interference. The maximum interference is the difference between the maximum size of the shaft and minimum size of the hole. The minimum interference is the difference between the minimum size of the shaft and maximum size of the hole. The interference fit further classified into the following. The first one is force fit, tight fit, and shrink fit. And the next category of fit is transition fit. Transition fit neither loose nor tight as like clearance fit and interference fit respectively. The tolerance zones of the shaft and holes will be overlapped between the interference and clearance fits. In transition fit, the tolerance zones are overlapped. It can provide both interference fit and clearance based on the application, but at very small amount. There will be further classification of transition fit. The first one is push fit and ringing fit. In conclusion, these engineering fits very much helpful for the design engineers to understand which type of fit is necessary for the different components of assemblies based on their functions. Let us know what do you think about these fits in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when we post a new video.